Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to make cinnamon banana muffins. It's very simple, very easy to make. I have this overly ripe bananas. I know they are sad looking bananas, but I thought, before they really go bad that I can't use them at all, then I'm gonna use it today for this banana muffins. Now, when your banana starts having that brown spots, don't discard them, don't throw them away. You can make a lot of stuff out of your ripened bananas. You can make banana nut bread. I have a recipe for that also, but today we're gonna make this muffins. And I'm using my silicone muffin pan. This is really nice. You can take everything easily out of this muffin pan. So although I'm using cups, paper cups, because I thought, it'd be easier to just grab one and eat it like that. So by the end of the day, you will have a really nice cinnamon banana muffins that you can have a snack with your tea or coffee. So this is gonna be wonderful. Let's go ahead start. I'm going to put the dry ingredients first. Combine flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. Use a whisk and mix until there's no more lumps, and we're gonna set the dry ingredients aside. Use a fork and mash 3 bananas. I use large eggs, and in a separate bowl combine sugar, eggs, and oil. Again, use your whisk and keep mixing until it's light in color and smooth. Add the mashed bananas and then continue mixing until it's well combined. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients. Again, mix it until everything is well combined and you no longer see white flour. Preheat your oven to 350. Then line your muffin pan with baking cups. Use a scoop and scoop the batter in each cup. And we're going to bake them for about 20-25 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. After baking, we're going to mix the brown sugar and the cinnamon, and then we're also going to melt some butter. And then we're going to drizzle the butter on top of each muffin, or you can use a pastry brush and brush the melted butter on top, and then sprinkle the cinnamon sugar. Okay, my lovelies, I'm really excited about this banana bread, so it's time to try it. Delicious. It's so soft, it's so moist, and you can really taste the combination of banana and cinnamon. Perfect. And then to top it, it's an optional. To top it with that melted butter and that cinnamon sugar, I use brown sugar and I just sprinkle it on top. That is an excellent addition, to finish up this muffin. It's so good, I can't stop eating. And you know what's great also is you can add walnuts, pecans, and to get that nice crunchy. I just like it plain like this with cinnamon, and this is perfect with my tea and coffee. So my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking or baking, please share this video. And have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget, head on to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com, for more recipes. Bye for now.